Sit down. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Sit down. Paw. Lay down. Good boy. Lay down. Good boy. Guys, I'm getting rid of so much clothes. Do you want to see how much clothes I'm getting rid of? Hold on. Because I'm so proud of myself, and like it just means that I can get more clothes that like I'm actually gonna wear. Okay? This trash bag full, okay? And then these two as well. I'm getting rid of so much. And I already ordered more clothes. So I'm excited because like those it's all clothes that like I don't wear anymore. So I gotta get rid and get more stuff that I'm actually gonna wear. You know. You don't get rid of any. No, this is like clothes I don't care about. Like for real, like I kept a lot of stuff like that I don't wear anymore, but like I still care about. For real. Why am I doing TikTok time? Leave it! Leave it. You don't get all of them at once. Go find a toy. Go find a toy. Leave it, Gus. It did hurt. Hi. How are you? Yeah, for you, but I haven't always had money to buy nicer shit. Okay, so like that's all gone. That's all gone now. I got rid of things from everything, like sweatshirts, tank tops, pajama pants, like all different kinds of like shirts, like you know, like all of dresses. I got rid of socks, bras, and underwear. I got rid of shorts, sweatpants, everything.